Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are searching for the latest fresher job opportunities for 26 and 27 batches, then today's video is going to be very helpful for you because in this video I will explain some amazing hiring opportunities from the top companies like Cognizant, Hexaware Technologies, IBM and Virtusa. And in this video is not just about the showing the job openings. I will explain how can apply, so what skills companies are expecting, so what work you will actually do after joining, salary details and important eligibility points, and also how to improve your chances of getting shortlisted. So watch this video completely because many students simply apply without understanding the role properly, and because of that fail in assignments or interviews. And also before we start, if you are interested in off campus jobs and internship updates or IT jobs, software roles, and any analyst roles and placement preparation, then make sure like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I will regularly post the latest updates for the freshers. Now without wasting any time, let's move on to the first hiring is Cognizant. This is for the digital nature 5.0 campus hiring Java FSC track. This is mainly for 2027 passed out students. So now many students may get confused. Hiring like Java FSC means full stack engineer, and that means the company expects the students who are interested in the Java development, the backend development, the front end basics and database concepts, and the full application development. Now let me explain this role in simple language. So after joining, you may work on the development applications, of fixing the bugs and supporting the software systems, writing the backend logic, connecting the databases, and working with the enterprise applications. This is actually a good opportunity for the students who want the software development careers. And one more important thing mentioned in the hiring is the students will not have any active backlogs or arrays. So students with backlogs or arrays may face eligibility issues. Another important thing is many students are seeing not eligible because the hiring is not open for their college yet. So don't panic if you see the message. And for better shortlisting, learn the Java basics properly, understand the OOPS concepts, and practice the SQL, and learn the basic of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and improve the communication skills. Even basic DSA preparation will help you a lot. And honestly speaking, companies are not expecting the freshers to know everything perfectly. They are mainly checking the learning ability, problem solving, and consistency and communication. So don't think I'm not perfect for this, so I cannot apply for this job. So apply confidently. And the next hiring is from Hexaware. Hexaware, uh, they are hiring for the role of management trainee. The location is Chennai, and they are offering like 5 LPA, and the role is mainly for the MBA students from 2026 batch. And this is not the coding heavy role. This role is more focused on the management, analytics, reporting, leadership, and business operations. So students from MBA background should seriously pay the attention to this opportunity. And the company clearly mentioned data analysis, reporting, stakeholder management, process improvement, and presentation work. So in simple ones, you may work on the preparing the reports and analyzing the business data, creating the dashboards, coordinating with the teams, and presenting updates to the managers, and helping them to improve the business process. So this role is very suitable for the students who are good at communication, Excel, PowerPoint presentation, and analytical thinking. And very important thing is they mentioned leadership skills, and that means if you participated in the college events, team activities or internships, sports, or the student clubs, then mention those things properly in the resume. Now let's talk about the preparation for better shortlisting. Improve your Excel skills, learn the pivot tables, and learn the PowerPoint presentation skills, and practice the communication, and learn the basics of the business analytics. This is actually a very good corporate management role for the MBA students. And the next hiring is from IBM. IBM, they are hiring for the role of associate system engineer. This is an entry level software engineer role. Coming to the eligibility batches, so 2024 and 25 batches can eligible for this role. And coming to the eligibility branches, if you are from computer science, IT, AI, data science, cyber security, cloud, and related branches, you can apply for this role. Now let me explain this role. After joining the IBM, so you may work on the Java applications, enterprise software, cloud technologies, DevOps tools, testing, and application support, and backend systems. IBM clearly mentioned the programming knowledge is important. The programming languages they will prefer is Java, Python, C++, Node.js. But don't get scared if you are not expertise to become an expert developer before joining. So they are mainly expecting the programming basics and software development, understanding logical thinking and communication skills. Another important point is the student should not have any active backlogs or arrays. The minimum eligibility criteria is you might have 60% or 60 GPA in your academics. For better shortlisting, practice the Java or Python basics and OOPS concepts, learn SQL, understanding the software development lifecycle concepts, and practice the aptitude questions, and also improve the communication. Because IBM interviews usually focus a lot on the confidence and clarity. So, and honestly, IBM brand value is very strong. So, having the IBM experience on your resume can help you a lot for the future growth. And the next hiring is from Virtusa. They are hiring for the role of a GCP tech support agent. They are hiring for the location of Bangalore. And this role is mainly related to the cloud support, Google Cloud Platform, and technical support and infrastructure monitoring. And after joining you may need to work on the solving technical issues, monitoring the cloud systems, supporting the users, handling the tickets, checking the alerts, and resetting the passwords, and troubleshoot the cloud related problems. This role is actually very good for the students who are interested in the cloud computing, IT support, the system administration, and infrastructure. And one more important thing they mentioned is basic GCP knowledge is expected. So learn the basics of compute engine, IAM, VPC, networking, and cloud storage, and Google Workspace. They also mention like Google Cloud certifications are preferred, especially Google Cloud digital leader or associate cloud engineer. So even beginner level cloud knowledge can help you to understand very better. So another interesting point is they mention the AI literacy. That means companies are not expecting the students to know how to use the AI tools smartly. So learning the tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, and AI assistants can actually help you in the modern IT jobs. For better shortlisting, learn the cloud basics, understanding the ticket system to improve the troubleshooting skills, and practice the communication and understanding the networking basics. This role is very good for the students who are interested in non-coding IT careers also. And now listen carefully because this is a very important part. So mainly many students keep waiting for the perfect opportunity, but in reality getting the first job is the most important step. Once you gain experience or communication and technical exposure and corporate understanding, then you can switching the companies becomes easier later. So don't reject the opportunities because the package is slightly lower or role is support based role or the location is different. As a fresher you need to your first goal should be entering the IT industry and building the experience and improving the skills continuously. And consistency matters more than the talent. If you are like no. So guys, these are some excellent fresher opportunities from Cognizant, Hexaware Technologies, IBM, and Virtusa. I explained like eligibility, skills required, and responsibilities and preparation tips, and important points clearly in simple language. And all apply links I will provide in the description company wise. So apply as early as possible because the deadlines are very important and some applications close suddenly after enough registrations. If this video helped you, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, and comment which company you are planning to apply for. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video with more latest job updates for the freshers. Thank you for watching.